I love a good cheesecake, and this Jello honey cheesecake is one of my favorite, made with vanilla crust and coconut honey cheesecake filling, topped with white chocolate and homemade honey Jello. This dessert is creamy, light, and so delicious. Let's get started and create fun white chocolate design for the cake to make the Beehive Pattern. Melt white chocolate. For the mold, use bubble wrap. For the tempered and cast of the Beehive Pattern, just like that. Then spread evenly chocolate and pop it to freezer. For the cheesecake, use baking ring and clear cake color, which is easier later to remove the cake from the springform pan. Crush vanilla cookies using rolling pin or kitchen blender. Mix crumbs with melted butter, then press into the bottom of springform pan and even up. You can use as well cup to tamp down the crust. Place crust in the refrigerator to chill and set while we are waiting to prepare cheesecake filling. In a large mixing bowl, beat the cream cheese until smooth consistency. Add gradually coconut yogurt and keep beating until light and fluffy. As well, you may scrape the bowl as needed. Next, prepare gelatin. Here I'm using clear gelatin sheets, which you need to soak first in cold water for a few minutes. In the separate bowl, combine together warm water with honey. Add gelatin and mix well to dissolve in the liquid completely. Pour the liquid to the cheese filling and whisk well. To create light and fluffy consistency of the cheesecake filling, whip cold heavy cream with powdered sugar to soft peaks. Then gently fold whipped cream mixture into cream cheese until completely combined and smooth. Spread cheesecake filling into prepared crust, then even up and pop it to fridge to chill again. The white chocolate until now should be nicely set. Crack and gently remove bubble wrap from the white chocolate. This way we create fun design of Beehive Pattern. Then place on top of the cheesecake and refrigerate again. For honey Jello, combine together warm water with honey and gelatin. Mix to dissolve gelatin completely again and refrigerate to chill down the liquid. Be careful, try to keep an eye on the Jello, otherwise it will set. Finally, pour the cold honey liquid over chocolate and refrigerate again for a few hours. After the cake is completely set, gently remove cake ring and clear color cake. To have perfect clean edges, you can dip spatula in hot water and run few times around the cake. Decorate cheesecake with Beehive Pattern and bees, which I create them from fondant. This cheesecake is great option for upcoming holidays. I hope you all enjoy this fun recipe. As well, if you have any questions, don't forget to ask me below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye!